Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do a project to solve quadratic equation, and we can call it quadratic equation solver. For example, you have an equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and you want to know this equation has a solution or not. Okay, first, again, we are importing interact function by using this line. After that, we will define a function here. And we have three different inputs, A, B, and C. And first, we will have to calculate discriminant. And this is the equation. B squared minus 4 times A times C. And we have three different conditions here. First condition, discriminant if discriminant bigger than 0. In this, that means we have two different solutions, x1, x2. And to calculate x1, we are using this equation minus b plus discriminant over 0.5, it means square root, divided by 2 times a. And solution 2 is minus b minus discriminant. Here plus discriminant, here minus discriminant. Again in the square root, here in this discriminant, divided by 2 times a. And if this condition, we have this condition, we will print this. The solutions are x1 and x2. If discriminant equals 0, it means that we just have one condition, one solution, and x equals minus b divided by 2 times a. And we will print the solution is x here. Else, it means that if discriminant is minus, the equation has no real solutions. And we define function like solve quadratic, and we use solve quadratic function into interact function, and we will define the variables here a, b, c. Let me run first. When we change a, for example, here, when a is 1, 0, b is 0, and c is minus 4, we have two solutions. One of them is 2, the other one is minus 2. When I change a here, if a is 2 and b is 0, these variables like this, we again have two different solutions, 1.4 and minus 1.4. It keeps going like that. We also can define these numbers in the same way. Like between 0 and 100. Okay, it also can be minus 100, I think better. Okay. Oh, here we have an error because when we write minus 100 to 100, this like start value, all of them for will be 0, and we can divide a number 0 here, division by 0. Because of that we have an error. Okay, we can change to 50. But if you have to do that, okay, just fix the problem, don't escape that. Here we have because all of them are 0, our discriminant is 0, and we have this condition here, and x equals minus b, and 2 times a is 0. Here it will be 0, and minus b is also 0. 0 divided by 0. And here you can add another a is not 0. Okay. If discriminant a 0, here discriminant equals 0 and a is not 0, we will use this function. If it is not, we will use else. Okay, now we don't have a problem, and all the starting values are 0, and the equation has no real solutions. And we also can put just when a equals 0, we can just print waiting here. Okay, because the equation has no real solution. Okay, it's also correct, but we can put this one. Run. It's waiting, and when I change this number, here as you can see, the solutions are just changing. And most of the station we have 2 solutions. Sometimes we have 1. Maybe when all of them. Okay. When all of them are minus, we don't have. Okay. Minus 100, minus 100, and C is minus 25. We just have one solution, and it is minus 0.5. It makes changing the values are easier, so we can use this function. Also, if you have another like equations you use frequently, you can change this. You can define a specific function for that, and you will have parameters here, and when you change them, you can see the result. And at the end of this course, we will also integrate the matplotlib, so we can draw some charts, and by changing the numbers also we will change the shape of the chart. So it's important to understand these basic things to understand those things. Okay guys, if you have any more questions, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.